Hi guys, welcome to Couple of Spice. Today I thought I'll do something different. My mom packed me all this food. Well, I asked her. I was really craving this and I've been sick, so she packed this and sent this with my husband. So she made me coconut milk rice, fried eggplant, and coconut sambal. I'm so excited. I'm gonna have it as my breakfast actually, or brunch. It's already 11. Let's plate this up together. Okay, so start with this obviously tasted so much better when she had given it. It's been in the fridge now, but this is the coconut milk rice. Oh my God, it looks so good. And I specifically asked her to add extra coconut milk. That's how I like it. So I'm just gonna have a little. I have to microwave this, and fun fact, we don't have a microwave in our kitchen. We purposely didn't put one in, so it just will kind of help so that we won't be tempted to use it, I guess. But we do have one in the basement just for these type of emergencies, and my son loves to make popcorn. So I'm gonna go microwave this first and I'll be right back. Okay, all warmed up. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of the eggplant. Don't want too much of this. And her famous sambal. Sorry guys, I kept saying coconut milk rice. This is basically pukkai and sambal in Tamil. So this is the sambal. Now I'm adding this in sort of cold, but the rice is hot. I don't like to warm this up. It doesn't taste good if you warm it up. This is my mom's sambal recipe. I still owe that video for you guys, or my attempt at making her version of it, but I still haven't nailed it. I know every time I make it, my husband always says, well, it's not quite like mom's, but anyway, she does make the best sambal. Okay, I'm gonna go enjoy this food. Thanks for watching this video. Let us know if you'd like to see more of these plating videos, because guess what? I'm always eating, so I'd be happy to take you along and show you. So we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.